Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well. Happy New Year. I can't believe it's already 2024. What in the world? But honestly, I already really like 2024. I know it's just started, but like, I don't know about you, but I have been looking forward to this year for a while now. It just feels like it's gonna be a good year. You know what I mean? Does anyone else feel that way? I hope so. I feel like so many good things happened in 2023 as well, but like for some reason, I'm just extra excited for this new year. So I hope you all had a safe and healthy holiday season and new year. I just barely posted a bunch of my yearly favorites. However, I still always like to do a December favorites video because even if I didn't have as much time in the December months with all the holidays and stuff to like review and try new makeup, I still fall in love with things. So a lot of this is like hair care, some skincare. I do have some products as well, some like beauty products or makeup things I should say to share with you, but this is going to be a pretty short and sweet video, but I still love to share the things that I loved in December, even though I just posted my yearly favorites video. So if you missed those, I'll have that link down below for you guys if you want to see my drugstore picks from 2023, high-end makeup picks, and also hair, skin, and nails. So yes, let's just get right into it. Okay, I've been really loving a shampoo and conditioner. We're gonna do hair first, then skincare, then the makeup products, so kind of switched around a little. I've been really loving this little duo from Bumble and Bumble. They actually sent this to me in PR, and I normally like stick to my usual shampoo and conditioner routine. I've used like the same brands for years and years and years, but I do really like a couple of Bumble and Bumble products. So when they sent this, I got really excited because I actually really love their primer oil in this line, the Invisible oil line. It's like a primer spray. It's like a heat protectant spray. I've talked about it before. It's so beautiful. And so I was like, okay, well, I want to try, the shampoo and conditioner that is a part of that line. I've really been loving it. So I guess the whole idea of this is there's a lot of lightweight oils in here. So it's really hydrating, but it's not going to weigh your hair down, which is what I really like. Because I do have a little bit more like of a thin hair texture. So a lot of times hair products can weigh my hair down pretty easily actually if I do too much. I've just been really liking it. Plus it smells really good. So I wanted to mention it because I'm like halfway almost out of the conditioner and pretty well into the shampoo as well. So really love these, especially paired with that primer or heat protectant spray from the same line. I'm really loving them a lot. All right, I debated whether or not I should put this in my December favorites, but I'm going to because honestly, like this doesn't just live up to the hype. For me, it exceeded the hype. For Christmas, you guys, I asked for a Dyson Airwrap, okay? I'm turning 30 this year, and I was like, listen, I really think it's time to level up my hair game. I was kind of steered away from it, honestly, because I'm not somebody who's like good at hair, and I thought the Dyson Airwrap was made for people like that. But then literally after the first time I used it, I was like, why did I not get this earlier? Just because the things that it has done for my hair, can you guys see? Maybe you can see the flounce and bounce a little bit more from back here. And again, my hair type is a little bit like more fine, so it doesn't hold style the way some people's do, but the way that this looks is not something I've ever been able to achieve before, okay? So I'm obsessed with this thing. I got the blue and pink shade, which I love. I think the combo is so pretty. So this is like the long, complete styler, whatever. I'm obsessed with this thing, you guys. I feel like people kind of scared me about it, okay? Because it is pricey, right? Like it's quite an investment to buy a Dyson Airwrap. And I would say like if you're somebody who either gets a lot of blowouts at the salon, you might not need something like this, but like I am somebody who does beauty things myself at home. Like I paint my own nails. Like I always do all those things by myself at home. Like I'll go out and get massages and facials, but everything else literally I do by myself. I don't cut my own hair, but I don't cut my hair often. Point is, for people like me, I think this is perfect because I was always under the impression that this was for the people that like are experts at hair, and I don't feel like I am. I feel like I got the hang of this really quickly. I feel like I loved the results. Anyway, huge fan of the Dyson Airwrap. I can see why everybody loves it, but it just made me feel like I got back from the salon, which I never go to the salon. So to have that at home and then to have my hair just look bouncy, healthy, flouncy, I don't know. I'm a huge fan. It's funny because I actually bought this next product that I'm gonna talk about before I got the Dyson Airwrap, and I didn't really like get the hype, but now that I have the Airwrap, I get the hype, okay? Because if I do my own like at home blowout situation, and I spend a lot of time, the first time you do it takes the longest, but nobody also told me that like it's the easiest thing in the world to do touch-ups the next day with this thing. So I always thought like, okay, I'm gonna spend hours and hours every time I do my hair, but it's really not like that. It's like on hair wash day, you do have to spend a little more time to get that first initial, texture and flow to the hair. And then you can touch it up the next day with Airwrap. But the thing that really helps hold that shape is this thing. This is called a sleepy tie. So basically, you'll brush through your hair, pile it up on the top of your head, put your ponytail through this, and then wrap your hair around these coils. And then you take the back portion and then secure the bun. Does this make sense? What this does is it basically holds that kind of round brush look in your hair as you sleep. Plus it's so comfortable, it stays in the hair all night long. So these two are a match made in heaven. I wasn't really sure what this was about until I had my hair styled and was like, oh no, I don't want to just throw my hair in a top knot and ruin this soft, flounce. Then this comes in handy. It's just a perfect duo. So now when I wash my hair, I do take some extra time, but then I know that I can make it last 3 more days with this and a little dry shampoo and then, touch up with the Airwrap as well. So those two are a match made in heaven. I feel like I'm in just a new hair era and I'm thrilled about it. I really love it. It exceeded my expectations. I honestly thought that maybe I would be a little bit mad or bummed that I spent so much on an Airwrap because it is expensive. Just to think that maybe I wouldn't be that impressed, but I'm way more impressed than I thought it would be. Okay? That's enough about the Airwrap. I mean, I feel like you guys who probably have this, maybe a lot of you already have this. For me, it took years of convincing and I'm wondering why I didn't buy it sooner, but that's okay because I have it now and I can enjoy it. And also this newer version is really handy. It comes with a lot of different fun attachments, including a round brush one, which I think is newer. So part of me is glad that I waited for this version, but anyway, loving it. Let's move on to skin products. Let's do a body product that I'm obsessed with. And this is something that was sent to me in PR. I've been hearing some buzz about this brand and I fell in love with this bar of soap. I know that sounds so wild because it's a basic product for a lot of people, but this is the Evolve Together Hydrating Bar Soap. The scent is Monaco, which is a rose mandarin scent. I'm usually really picky with fragrances, especially my body care products, and especially when it says rose on it. When there's rose things, it's a hit or miss for me. They nailed the scent. This is so beautiful. It's such a luxurious feeling bar of soap. I went to buy it again because I'm almost out and didn't realize that it was a $20 bar of soap. But am I gonna buy it? Yes, I am, because it's so good. The thing is, it's just hydrating. It smells amazing. It's the smell for me, honestly. It smells like a spa in my entire bathroom. Whether I've just showered or not, the fragrance coming from this, but it's not an overpowering headache type of rose scent. It's a spa rose smell. I love having this in my shower, obviously to use, but then it doubles as an aromatherapy just in my bathroom in general because it just sits in my shower on my little soap caddy and makes my whole bathroom smell like a freaking dream, okay? This is so good. I love it. They also sent their exfoliating bar, which is a cardamom and wood smell. That one kind of reminds me of the Le Labo Santal 33 scent. It gives that vibe. My husband's been using that one, so I'll probably honestly end up buying both, but this is the one that I've been using, the rose and mandarin scent. It is phenomenal. Love it so much. I'm really excited to try more from this brand. I might tack on a couple of things in my order. I think they have a hand cream and I want it in this smell because it just smells like a spa, which that's my vibe, okay? In my shower, I want things to smell like a spa, okay? That's why I have mostly xoxo products. Brioche to me smells so good. And then this. Smells delicious. Okay. I suppose another body product is this fragrance right here. I love fragrances. I try a lot of new fragrances all the time. And Dedcool is one of my favorite brands ever. And I saw that they launched this orange and vanilla and white flower fragrance. And normally I go for a very unisex, a little bit more on the masculine side with my fragrances, but this one just sounded interesting. So I bought the travel size because I was okay, I don't want to commit fully. This is the Sunlit Blooms perfume, and oh my gosh, is this such a cool fragrance. It smells so good to me. Oh my gosh, it's fresh, but that vanilla kind of warms it up. It's sweet, but not so sweet to where it gives you a headache. And that white floral, normally white floral can really bug me. I'm so picky with florals and fragrance, and they nailed it with this. It's so good. I definitely would say that it's more of a spring, summer scent. So for me, I feel like I'm wearing it occasionally because I do think it smells good, but I feel like I'm gonna go ham with this as soon as the weather starts warming up. Like it just feels like the perfect spring summer scent to me. So I wanted to mention it because I have been absolutely loving it. Moving on to a skincare product that's changed my life basically this winter. The new Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream. Oh my gosh. I love their Protini and the Lala Retro. Like they're just great staple moisturizers in my skincare routine. But this one, this is next level, honestly. Like this was designed, I was geeking out about it. This was designed for like super dry skin, or if you get like a facial done, like some sort of laser treatment or something like that, and you just need your skin to like be nourished and for your skin barrier to be repaired. This is kind of what that was designed for. It's so moisturizing, it's ridiculous, but it's not so oily to where it like feels like it's sitting on top of the skin. It's like sinks into the skin, so much moisture gets absorbed into my face. I don't know. I stopped using this for a couple of days and my skin felt like it was gonna just flake off. And I didn't realize how much this had been doing for me until I forgot to bring it when I was traveling a bit this month, and my skin really took a toll when I wasn't using it, and it was very happy. It like bounced right back as soon as I added this back into my routine. I'm just very appreciative of it right now, especially in winter. So if you're somebody who struggles with super, super dry skin on the face, this is one of the best super rich moisturizers that does not break you out. It just feels almost like butter in the best way, but it absorbs into the skin. You really feel and see a difference with the moisture when it comes to this thing. Yeah, if you struggle with dry skin, like I highly recommend checking this out because this is one of my new favorite ultra hydrating but not greasy or heavy feeling creams. It's one of the best I've ever tried, so thrilled about that. Okay, next, I'm so happy that I picked this up. This is the Simihaze Skin Suede Melting Bronze Balm. I've been using this all month long non-stop. It's what I have all over the skin. It's perfect for those days where I want like a little bit of warmth and shape to like the outer parts of my face, but I don't want to look overdone. It's great for every day is my point. This is like a balmy bronzer. It's so pretty. I don't really have much more to say than like, it's so pretty. I love how it kind of gives like a healthy glow to the skin. It's beautiful. And this does lean a little bit more on the warm side, but I actually like that for looks where I just want a healthy glow added back into my skin, especially on more no makeup days. Plus like the packaging is cool. I have been using this every single day. And then another thing I've been using every single day is the Westman Atelier Baby Cheeks Blush Stick in the shade Petal. This lives up to the hype for me. I've got this all over the skin. I already knew I liked this formula. I have another color. I believe I have Couchette is the like peachy color. This one's like more of a mauvey pink, and it's just great for every day. I've been using these two together every single day this month, and I absolutely love it. So wanted to mention that as well. And then I have one little lifestyle thing to add. I cannot stop wearing these earrings from Tiny Looks. You guys have probably heard me talk about that brand quite a bit, but this was like, these were my go-to earrings this month. They're so cute. I only have one piercing, and a lot of times I like the look of those like, you know, chain earrings that you can connect to another piercing, but I obviously can't do that because I just have one. So this has like a chain that connects from the back and drops down with a little pearl. So it gives me that vibe, but it's still really simple and clean looking, which I love. I wanted to mention that. I mean, I know my hair is also down, but I usually wear these when my hair is pulled back, and it's a vibe. I love it. I feel like you can dress these up, dress them down. I wanted to mention them because I've just been so obsessed and I've been wearing them nonstop this month. So there you have it, my friends. Those are some of my top picks from December. These are like pretty top-notch products. Like, I have a feeling a lot of these are gonna make it into like my best of 2024, honestly. Even though they're brand new to me, I just have a feeling that so many of these things are gonna last the year for me. So yeah, I'm really excited about them. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of my favorite things from the month of December. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these, what your thoughts are. I would love to hear from you. And let me know if you end up trying anything because of my recommendation and how it ends up working for you, especially if you try any of like the skincare or fragrance. I just love hearing from you. Like, I love hearing if my recommendations are working for you or not. So let me know in the comments if you guys end up trying anything. I hope you guys have a wonderful first week of 2024. Again, I'm so excited for this year. There is so much to come. I cannot wait to share more. There's so many things coming for Revi. Yeah, it's gonna be a good year. I can't wait. And thank you guys again for making 2023 so magical. I mean, my dreams literally came true in 2023. So Thank you again, and I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you.